Good morning, people. This is Ira, and I'll be making a week in my life in South Korea as a student. So, let's go. So guys, kanina nagpa-plan siya ako. Kaso may time lang yung breakfast namin dito sa school. Yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, I took my breakfast. It's bread and ano nga to? Milk. And also, I have here egg. Ayan, tapos sa dorm na lang ako mag-breakfast. Gusto ko kasi ng kape. Gusto ko ng coffee. Ayan. Tapos nagpa-plancha pa kasi ako, di pa tapos. Hirap mag-plancha. So, ito yun. Good morning! Good morning, guys. It's Monday. And today, magpa-plancha ako ng mga damit ko. Kasi di talaga ako nagpa-plancha. Pero I feel like kailangan ko kasi summer na these days. And kailangan ko ng mga products.
So, iiwan ko lang yun dyan kasi kakain kami.
Good morning, guys. So, I think I'll be ending my vlog here. So, today is Sunday. Hindi ako pupunta ng church kasi ang hirap magkasakit kapag nasa ibang bansa ka. So, it's already 7 AM in the morning. I have here my medicine. Also, my granola for my breakfast. Muntik nakita ko ng gatas. Yeah, this is my breakfast and I don't know, wala rin naman akong panlasa. Hindi inuwa ko lang sa pagpaya-paya. It's hard because sa Philippines kapag nagkakasakit ako, I have a brother who takes care of me and also my mom. Ayun, ayoko naman ipaalam sa nanay ko na may sakit ako. But, I don't know. I have the symptoms na parang may COVID ako pero wala akong panlasa. It's sobrang sakit nito pero hindi ako pupunta sa doctor kasi last year, it was June also when I got COVID. But I have medicine naman, I think never. And hopefully maging maayos. Inom ako gamot. Alis ka na?